Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to slmworkfromhome.com, and I'm back with another video for you guys. This one is going to be with the company Arise. Now before we get started, hit that like button, click and subscribe for more remote work opportunities. Now, in the beginning of my work from home journey, Arise was the first platform that I used that I was able to make consistent money. Now, they have a ton of remote opportunities to choose from, and this opportunity here is for customer service for the roadside assistance company. Now, let's go ahead and go over what they're looking for. This company is online, it is remote work. You will be doing customer service. The hours are flexible, and the pay is $9 to up to $18 per hour. Here's what to expect: the service of inbound calls for roadside assistance and other service requests with items such as a vehicle that won't start, a flat tire, keys locked inside of a car, vehicles out of gas, or vehicles in an accident. And here's what it takes to succeed: outstanding problem-solving skills. You will need to display patience, empathy, and the ability to manage stress, the ability to work under pressure. Also, you need to be skilled and efficient in writing and verbal communication with outstanding listening skills. You should be able to provide knowledgeable, friendly, and eloquent customer service and understand how to navigate and efficiently use the tools. Now, as far as education goes, no degree is necessary. This is a great work from home opportunity for anyone who's ready to invest in themselves and work hard in order to service a client through the Arise platform. You just have to pass a series of assessments, pay for and successfully complete a virtual certificate course. Now, the certificate courses can be short, as a few days, or last up to 6 weeks. It just depends on the complexity of the client program. So with this opportunity for the roadside assistance, what you'll be doing is inbound calls for roadside assistance and other service requests for clients and customers, and also possible outbound calls to clients, customers, client account representatives for status and clarification purposes. You'll be transferring of inbound calls or outbound calls to other client designated internal support departments, and also outbound coordination to clients' independent service providers, such as tow trucks. And here's what you need to get started. Basically, you just need to register to use the Arise platform if you haven't already. Select this client and enroll in the certificate course to prepare to service. Please remember, this is not an offer of employment. It's an opportunity to enter into a business-to-business relationship with Arise. All right, so if you are interested in getting started with this work opportunity, check out the first link in the description bar. And you guys know, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below as usual. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.